My name is Dennis Meech. I'm Managing Director of MINO Process Control. We're based in the UK. We are part of the MINO group, and we develop all of the software for the thickness and flatness control for the MINO rolling mills that you can see behind me. We've been in the business for over 30 years, so our know-how is quite extensive in the work that we do. So we're quite experienced at installing AGC, AFC systems for thickness and flatness control on rolling mills of all types, from hot mills to cold mills through foil mills, aluminum, copper and steel. But the exciting news at the moment is that traditionally we've been using the Siemens TDC platform to run our software on. That's an industry standard platform that's been available for the last 25 years or so. Siemens announced that was going end of life 2 years ago. So we've now migrated all of our software onto the latest Siemens platform, which is an S7 1500. And we've done that using the latest TIA Portal engineering environment, version 20. That's now available. We're installing the first one of those this month, actually next week. We're going to site with that. So we're quite excited about that. That's the latest technology available from MINO for the process control market. And that's available to all our future projects and customers. So just wanted to let everyone know about that.